Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before.
Hi guys, welcome back to Florida at Our Feet, and it is I, your girl Leah. And tonight, because it's nighttime, it's after 9 o'clock, so tonight I have some fried pork chop, mixed vegetables, and some black beans and rice. I normally like my black beans and rice with yellow rice, but I didn't buy any, so white rice it is. So let's dig in. How is everyone doing today? Cherry Coke. I got my water over here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It has been a long day, okay? Long week. Thank God it's Friday, right? Y'all, I got home, took a shower, put on my ain't going nowhere dress, aka my house, I'm walking, lounging around the house dress, and fell asleep. The movie was watching me. What does pork chop do? It's good. Snap peas, I love them. Sorry, y'all. I keep checking my phone. Waiting on Deja to call me. She should be on her way home soon. She with her friends. It is Leo season. I did not work out today, y'all. So I gotta do it tomorrow and Sunday to make up for it today. I might take y'all with me. We'll see. Definitely helps. And this time I won't forget my headphones. Okay, she just texted me off. She on her way. My phone's been tripping. Like, I put send and it doesn't send. If I don't double check it, like, this message never even went out. I hate that. They be saying, like, why they didn't reply? And they never got it because you didn't push send. All I had to eat today, y'all, was some chicken soup. No, it was, what was it, chicken and dumpling soup? It was good. I had it for lunch. That's all. All I had to eat today. So let me cook dinner and have dinner with y'all. Right? These beans are excellent. Even with the white rice. My husband's getting sick, y'all. So, and I think Charlotte's not feeling a little good too. Or not feeling, starting to get sick too. I hope I'm not next. Excuse me. Hope I am not next. It tried to get me because my throat was hurting, but I curved it. When I feel sore throat coming, I take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, like 2 times a day. Usually by the second day it's cleared up. You know, cold symptoms. Sometimes it'll work after the first spoonful, but just straight apple cider vinegar, just take a teaspoon, and it always curves it. Deja hates when I give it to her. But it works. It works. These were some big pork chops, so I butterflied them. They were so thick. It was technically like I have 2 pork chops on my plate. They're good though. Ooh. Getting there, y'all. Getting there. I'm tired, y'all. It was raining. I think that's why I slept so good during my nap. Oops, excuse me. Here we go. I've been trying to cut back on sodas. There's your girl. I love a can of Coca-Cola. But I am trying to cut back. I think I did pretty good though. I bought this today. I'm only home. I stopped by the store. Dreaded it. I was like, you know what? Just get it over with. Just go and do it, get it over with. And there I went. Like shopping, not just food shopping, clothes shopping, any kind of shopping. It's fun for me for like the first 20 minutes. And then it's time to go. I don't enjoy. I never try on stuff. I'm the queen of exchange and return. I never try on anything. Too much about it. I already don't want to be there. It's gonna take too long, and then that's gonna really like that 20 minutes. It's gonna be like, I can't. Never try on nothing. Well, unless like I'm buying it for that day. I don't want to go to other stores. That's the only way, and that happens every blue moon. Taking the grocery shopping. I know this is gonna get on my nerve tomorrow. Gonna get on my nerve. This is so much better. I think I just drop them off and let them do their thing because they're so indecisive. And I'm like, and which one do you like? I like that one. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Like, why did you even ask me? Why did you ask me to go the opposite way? Like, My opinion, it clearly didn't matter. Did you need confirmation to pick the other one? Like, why did you ask me what I want you to wear? Which one you should buy? Drives me nuts. And really, I'm only caring for you because, you know, there's a million and one things I want to do right now to be in the store. But they will. Pray for me tomorrow, y'all. Pray for me. Shiloh's easy. First of all, she's uniform. As long as it's pink and maybe got some glitter sparkles or a stroll or something. She's like easy. Boom, boom, bam. We went shopping a couple weeks ago, just me and her. She got me because we went for shoes. Shoes turned into 2 pairs of shoes and 3 outfits. But I swear we got done in like 10 minutes. I was like, oh my God, you're so easy. And she picked what she wanted. I was like, okay, cool. Price is right. Let's go. 10 minutes, we were out of there with 2 pairs of shoes and 3 outfits. Out. She's easy. Shop with her any day. But those other 2, nope. They gotta be difficult. Gotta be difficult. Get me a coffee and head out early. It's tax-free week here. Tax-free weekend, not week. So I already know the crowds. I already know. I'm getting depressed thinking about it. Is it really worth it? Crazy. Crazy. My Shiloh's gonna be going to kindergarten, y'all. I hope I don't cry. That's my baby. It's been like a quick summer, and these last couple weeks have like flew by, and I'm just like, I'm gonna probably break down. Gonna probably break down. And I worry, but she can be pretty bossy. Shiloh is like the speak your mind child of mine. She's very outspoken, very to the point. She's a Virgo. She say it, she mean it. If she's not sorry, she's not apologizing, like already. So I worry. Deja's more goofy, shy, kind of. She's a Virgo too. And then Nene, just kind of go with the flow. Kind of just go with the flow, and she's very like smile through your day type of girl. she laughs at herself a lot, and that's good. Like, if she's having a bad day or something, she knows how to. How some people would like dwell on it and cry and pull their hair out like that, you know. She'll be like, this is what happened to me today. Like, she'll roll the punches and smile through it. When, you know, so that's her personality. High school, middle school, and elementary. Ooh. Excuse me. I am full, y'all. So full. I almost ate it all. A little bit of rice, a couple of vegetables. So y'all, I'm about to clean my plate. I'm full. Full. I do want to thank you all for watching. Your girl is full. And don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Wishing you all a happy weekend. I'm trying to get this video up tonight. If not, you'll get it early Saturday. So, guys, have a great weekend. And I will talk to y'all later.